It is 12:25 currently.
AM. Because why would we finish this when we have time? Who knows? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Nails in Orbit. So today we have my very first nail vlog, and this is coming to you by accident because I explained a little bit more in the video, but I forgot something I needed to film, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, you know what? These nails are gonna be cute. My sister designed them. Whenever I do her nails, she designs them. So I was like, we're not gonna miss out. We're gonna just do what we gotta do, and you guys can get to know me a little bit better, my sister a little bit better in this nail vlog, and I think it's really fun. We did not have all the proper equipment or lighting and stuff like that, so it is just a really just try your best kind of vlog. So I hope you guys like it, and let's get started. All right, I've laid out everything I brought. Oh my god, my finger was in that. Anyway, I've laid out everything I brought, and reminder, I packed this after 2 hours of sleep, so we're just gonna be using what we got. And she just has to figure it out. Look at her and her Stanley. Okay, so she likes the powders. These powders I bought on Amazon. They're lies, big fat lies, but she loves the lying colors, which is great because of course I didn't return them because I'm a horrible person at returning. And she planned her whole set. What's the book? Show them the book. Fourth Wing. She wants to do Fourth Wing, so she designed some nails based off of that. I haven't read the book, but hopefully some of you guys have. Yay. All right, and have you decided your other set of nails you want, or you're still thinking?
It's either gonna be Gravity Falls or Cat Scratch.
Cat Scratch? Okay. Show the people me, because you look like you just woke up, so I need to show them you. Show them me.
Gabby.
So we can be even. So I have really bad allergies when I come home, so I look a little crusty.
I look crazy probably. At least I've got some eye makeup on.
No, you don't look crazy, you look fine. I just don't know how the lighting is in this room, so everyone's just gonna have to be okay with the lighting. Once I get this all set up and we're ready to do our design, I will come back and show you guys the setup. The reason we are filming vlog style today is because this magnet doesn't connect to my phone. I have to have a case to connect it because I have an iPhone 11 and I forgot to bring that because again, I was tired. So we are just going to do vlog style today. I look a little crazy, so whatever, but we're getting ready to go hang out with Shelly's friends tonight, so you guys will see us all dressed up and her nails done. You'll see the process of the nails and us setting things up, and it will be really fun. So don't worry, it'll be a little bit of a different video today, but it'll be a fun one. All right, here is the setup. I forgot so many things, but it's okay, because usually I have like the silicone mat, the nice little purple paper, so it's fine. We really just needed this little setup and the disinfectant tools, and that is the main thing. And whatever gel polish we have, we're gonna make work. She actually had to redesign her nails 3 times, but it's okay. She likes the ones that she designed first, so it's okay.
Well, I like them the best.
Or that's what I mean. That's what I said.
You said I like them first.
Okay, so this is the 3rd design that she did, and we're gonna use these powders. So I'll put the nails on, and then I'll pop back in later for the powders. And if you saw it, this was dirty. That was because I just got paint on it. This black is filled everywhere in the transit, okay? So this towel is clean. Okay, so we just put Shelly's nails on. We're using the Gel X Natural Stiletto Long. She's usually an almond person, but these are like the closest to almond longer I had, because I only had short almond. So we're using these today, and she actually loves them, so we're gonna keep them stiletto. All we did was shorten the pinky a little bit, and then the rest we just left. And now we're going to put the powder on. All right, so we took a little pivot because when we put the powder on, they were like too see-through and she wanted them to be solid. So we did this for now. This is gonna be the base of everything. And then we're gonna put the powder on top of this. And these are the 3 colors we used. Please excuse the dirty bottles. I can't even believe myself. So Creature Feature, Pumpkin Juice, and Goosebumps, all from the Wicked Nails collection by Ballpit. And use code ORBIT to check out if you want 10% off. And so yeah, so this is how this is looking right now. And we'll pop in after the powder. You guys, I had to show how it was going. Look how cool that looks already. And it's gonna look so cool, like the top coat and all that. But like, yes. I feel like we're really getting the inspo. Yay. Oh my goodness, you guys, look. Okay, let's go nail by nail.
Absolutely stunning.
Wow, we just put the base coat on because we're gonna do some artwork on top. Or another base coat on, I mean. Okay, wow. Now let's compare. Look at that. Yay! We're replicating it pretty well. So Shelly loves it so far. And I want to show you guys because we did like a little shimmery moment. right here and on the tip of this nail. I wish I had more of these shimmers to do this, but we just used, sorry, it's so messy, but we just used this. And I just used a little messy paintbrush and dabbed it on. So that's basically what we did, because you guys saw the base painted, and then we just took the powders and or just any powders, shimmery powders, and we just put that right on top, and that's how we did it.
We changed one of the bases for this one.
Yeah, we did. We changed it to light blue.
Yeah, because it wasn't getting light enough.
So yeah, yee, we love it so far. I hope you guys like it. Alrighty, guys. So now we just have the dragons. There's one dragon, another dragon. Pinky. The pinky's a little bit hard to see, but the dragon is there, so it's fine. And we're gonna throw on the stars and a little bit like a sun and that effect, and then we'll be all set. Look at them. I feel like they look really good. I feel like they, I haven't read the book yet. She absolutely loves the book, so, but we'll take some better pictures like outside and all that stuff. So this is just a quick little show, and then we're gonna move on to the Gravity Falls nails. But go ahead and hold the book really quick so we can see it together. Beautiful. Now the second book. Look at that. Look how good they look together. Pose like a normal person, please.
I'm trying.
Hold the book like that. Okay, okay. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the Gravity Falls nails, and these ones are gonna be a little bit of a freestyle for me, a little bit of a junk nail situation. Whatever I feel like putting on that fingernail is gonna go on that fingernail. So we're gonna see how it goes. Posture. Alrighty, so these are the colors we chose for the Gravity Falls nails. So first on the pinky is Sugar Plum Baddie, but the base of it is oh my gosh, the bottle's so dirty, I'm not gonna show you. It's like a lavender D&D color, and then on top is the Sugar Plum Baddie.
Your hand.
Where is it? Oh, is the Sugar Plum Baddie, so that's on top of that lavender color. And then right here is of course the limited edition Ball Drop. Ooh, look how beautiful. It's this one. And then this color, this is 2 coats of the Snow Bunny. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. I love it. And then of course this is from the Wicked Nails collection, and that is Ghouls Night Out. And then the thumb is Slime Time for the thumb. Perfect. All right, show them all together. Look how pretty they are. So we're gonna do eyeballs, we're gonna do a gnome, something for Dipper, and then the kitty cat for Mabel, and then this one's gonna be a question mark. So yay, cute little like thrown together junk nails. They're gonna be cute. All right, I'll check back in a bit. But get me too also. Okay.
Just put yours on. Where's mine?
All right, let's go by the 2 nails. So we just have this one right here for the eyeball jar, or we might add like a money sign and a for sale sign to make it look more Gravity Falls-ish. These nails are still blank. And then we just added Mabel's t-shirt design to this one. We haven't done the question mark yet, but we're gonna take a break because we have to go out tonight to hang out with Shelly's friends. So we just want to rest and then we'll get ready. We're about to go take our break because we've been doing this since 9 a.m. We have had lunch breaks and everything like that because it's after Thanksgiving, so we've been eating Thanksgiving food. But we're gonna go take a break and go to this party. You guys can see our outfit. We'll show a little bit of the party, and then it's like a crafting party anyway. And then after that, we'll come back and we'll finish these nails. Woo! Okay, it's makeup time. Hey. Guess who doesn't have any makeup brushes? We're not going to the party because it did get canceled, but we're just gonna go to Dutch Bros.
Yeah.
So let's get ready to do that.
Worst. We're the worst. Who cares? We're not vloggers. Okay. We'll get better at it. This is like the best mascara right here. This one's pretty good too. See how mine looks? No, I don't like that one. Oh, let's show them. I'm using Lash Paradise. I'm using. This looks like it was filmed in 2010. Mine's in Spanish. Explosive. Oh, where'd you get it? Friend came to town and she's the girl. Yeah, she did. I remember you telling me about this girl. Did I watch this concert? Yeah, she's the best. Yeah, she was so nice. Shout out to that girl. Yeah, this is the best mascara I've ever used. Cause look at that. And I got an eyelash curler because he's always using them, and I wanted to know like what was the big deal about it. Our eyelashes are pretty curled though. Yeah, and it helps a lot though. Because remember when I didn't like my hair or anything like that in middle school, so I decided to cut my lashes for I don't know what reason. Shelly. No, in the bathroom in Ohio. And I was like, my lashes are too long on this side. Let's cut them. And they've never gone back. I think I'm gonna give makeup artists like an attack when I see how I do my makeup. Oh, yeah. I wish I could do it better. I'm just not very good at it, and I don't want to cover my freckles. Yeah, and I just haven't spent the time to like do it better. We don't do much, guys. I do. This is all Will's makeup because he was trying to practice how to cover his tattoos because he's an actor. And look, it's this, and then I just put. This is all him. The lady told me to get all this, and then I put a little powder on top. And I usually do eyeliner, but I've been kind of lazy about that lately, and I don't want to go buy some more. I do blush. Well, I do blush too, but my blush is like a hot pink eyeshadow that I just put on my cheeks. But yours or I do it really subtly. That one's yours. Is it? Yeah. Mine's flat. And then I take this. I might have given you the brush because I got this. I dropped it, so all the colors came out. Oh, I just look so silly. I should not be doing this right now. Okay, this is like an edge cream. I don't have my gel. I usually use just like I put blush on my cheeks and then I put it up here too. Oh my gosh. Okay, this might be kind of a lot for this moment right now, but I'm just gonna use it for what I have. Humanly possible for the both of us. I know. Well, we don't have a tripod or anything, so we did, and then I broke mine. I'm at my parents' house. I have all this stuff at my own house, but it looks kind of crazy. My hair's getting too long for this hairstyle. I have to do this, and I have to like tuck it in. I can't do my buns. I hate when I do them because they come out. Yeah, I kind of just like take it and tuck it. Do you guys want to see my bag? Yeah. I tuck it back in here. If you guys are still here watching, I really appreciate that. Because I apologize. It's my baby girl Yzma. I made it. When I pull out my baby hairs and do those. It's Yzma. Isn't it cute? Yeah, it is. I wrote all my stuff. A woman yelled across the parking lot to tell me she liked it. What? Yep. Oh, nice. She's like, oh, your bag. I was like, I made it. She went, oh my god. Yeah, that's some lotion. Okay, this curl, I don't like when it does that. Do you see it too big? Yeah, like sticks out. See this angle? Like, why does it stick out like that? I think it's cute. Let me just change my outfit and go on ahead to Dutch Bros. And if you guys go to Dutch Bros, tell us what coffee order you get. We always go when we come here because Dutch Bros does not exist where I live. I used to get the double torture, which is an issue, and I don't get it anymore. Yeah, no. Oh, you can film us better now. This is a much better angle. Okay, you guys can kind of, I'm just like throwing my baby hairs together. Okay, good. Mom's, look at that part. It's not even, I just threw it together. All right, my curls are looking curly today. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, let me put my outfit on.
All right. And this is my bag. I wear it to everything. My fiance bought it for me. It's a Coach little denim bag. So cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. They're Fourth Wing nails. My sister did them. They're the book, The Fourth Wing.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, they're. Let me grab her. Yep. She just finished them.
reading that book.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
Oh my god, these are so nice.
She did such a good job.
Thank you.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah.
Those are so
Thank you so
good.
much.
Beans, creams, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, dog, beans, creams.
Alrighty, sis. What time is it?
It is 12:25 currently.
A.M. Because why would we finish this when we have time? Who knows?
Earlier,
So let's have a recap. Where are we on the nails? Let's see them. Put them on the towel. Okay. The lighting might be better because it's all dark now. Put your hands normal.
look at me. I don't
This is how you show them. This is how you show them. These are looking beautiful still.
Okay, so this is Mabel nails.
Yeah, we're switching just to Mabel.
We're gonna add stickers around, like to make it look like it's stickers.
Yeah, so
And
I'll put
then-
white around this cat to make it look like it's a sticker.
Who did you ask to explain it?
Shut up.
This one's gonna have a rainbow gnome. We're probably gonna change this one to ghost and candy corn stickers. And this one's still gonna be question mark.
Look at your fingers. Like, just look.
This one's gonna be question mark. Can you stop filming my face, please? So let's get started.
Do it again.
Just tell me when you're ready.
Do it again. You keep not. Okay.
All right, so let's get started.
So we added little hearts and then outline to the cat, Mabel and her handwriting. And then I put Mabel's. Does that make sense? Should I have just put Mabel?
Oh no.
Mabel's is fine. I'm not taking it off.
I like it. I think it's pretty.
Okay, we'll just leave it.
Because it says Mabel's sticker book. That's why.
Well, we're doing our sticker book.
I'm just gonna put like Mabel's nail set.
Okay, that's fine. I didn't put the clear coat on, but we just did a few stickers over here. Little Halloween stickers. And
Doesn't
then we're
make
gonna
it
do the
sound like
gnome, and then we're actually gonna draw Mabel instead of the question mark on the thumb. It is currently 2:40, and we did veer again from the plan. So now we just put Mabel here because we were just forcing the gnome to work, and I don't feel like it fit there really. I'm gonna do the whole gnome on myself in a different set because I really do want the gnome. I think it'd be pretty for this background, but we just put Mabel here. So I think Mabel looks absolutely so cute. And the thumb, we will just do her star, like her shooting star thing that she usually has on her shirt. All right, we'll check back in when we're done with the star. It is now 3:11. They look great. I'm also really tired and mad about it, okay? Okay. There's the pinky. We decided to go with Mabel, like I said. I wish we could see a little bit more of the background, but that's okay. I think this is my favorite nail. I think it's really cute. Mabel's cat. And then the thumb, we decided to just do this. Some cutesy little stuff. I think it looks really good. I love this set. I'm really mad at myself for not bringing the correct camera holder, but it's okay. It made a different kind of video today. And these nails probably wouldn't be exactly the same if I brought it, you know what I mean? All right, next. And then let's see them all together. Like, kind of like that. There you go, leave them right there. Like, relax your hands. Okay.
I think you're restraining yourself currently.
I am, because she's like, look at the camera. And you're putting them straight down. That is the whole set together. Honestly, which one's your guys' favorite side? Because I haven't read this book, so I'm leaning towards the side. All right, we're gonna go take pictures now. Try not to
Should we
kill
do
each
that?
other.
Should we do that? Or should we wait till the morning?
I know, what if we don't wake up?
We are gonna wake up.
Okay. It's officially 3:21 a.m. and we have finished the nails. I have to leave at 8 in the morning to go back to my house, and I still have to clean this. That won't be happening right now, but Jesus. I have to take pictures of Shelly's nails, and since we didn't film them, so I won't have like the content to make shorts or anything, we need to take really good pictures and really good reels to post because they look gorgeous, and I'm honestly jealous about the Mabel nails. I really wish those were on myself. But it's okay, she can have them for free. All right, let's go take those pictures. So I really hope you guys liked this video. I know it was a little bit different, but I had a lot of fun making it and editing it. So I might throw a few more vlogs in there when I'm with my sister, but of course still have the actual tutorial because I won't forget my phone case ever again. But I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.